Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back once again to my channel. Please, if you know today is your first time and you haven't yet subscribed, please do kindly subscribe and click on that bell notification so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, my people. My beautiful people, what is really going on in Nigeria? Oh my goodness, I am so confused about now Nigeria. What is really going on with all these our government and politicians? When will there be unity among Nigerians? Guys, I hope you guys have saw what is going on in Nigeria about all these governments and politicians. As in, I don't really get the money where they get, or the money where they get, or where they have. Now to use and destroy people things, or use and go they kill people. Is that why they are making the money, or is that why they are looking for the money? As in, God gave them that power. God has blessed them with money for them to help those people that doesn't have. It's not for them to use it to rule over the world. You understand me? Guys, we all have to say the truth. What is really happening in Nigeria? I fear will not fear governments, people. I fear will not fear all those politicians too. Because me, I am here. I don't really know them like that. And I don't really want to say I will support this. I am here to say everybody, as in those people, our politicians, our government, where they have wronged. All of them, they don't wrong. They don't offend God. Yes, they don't offend God. The Bible said, if you kill by sword, you will most surely die by sword. When you kill by gun, you must surely die by gun. You understand me, guys? Okay, look at this Tony Kabaka that Obaseki have demolished his house. You can, even if you guys are flashing back, you can also know that this politician Tony Kabaka also did a lot of things like that in the past. Are also killing, as I've killed some innocent soul, did a lot of things in the past that is not good. To me, I guess that is reaping what he sowed. Yes, I guess that is reaping what he sowed. And to the man, what is so called Obaseki, that also do this to him. If he also do it to him, only the name that the man does not want to vote for him. Everybody can choose what he wants for himself. You can't force someone to choose to vote for you. You can force the horse to the river, but you cannot force the horse to drink the water from that river. You can force the man to vote for you when the man said he don't want to vote for you. You cannot go to his house by demolishing his house to not make him to come and vote for you. Guys, how did you think about this? Really doesn't make any sense to me. How will you go and demolish someone's house for the sweat that the person have labored for? I know also that the man also have always been demolishing, be scattering other people's house. By scattering other people's house, doing all sorts of things. As in, I don't get, because say I get money, and I made them do all those things I've been awaiting. I don't understand. You understand me? Okay, this Obaseki that have did this to him, that I went to demolish his house. Really, we don't really know what is going on between themselves. If you look at this Tony Kabaka is and this Obaseki, they are from the same language. They are speaking the same language. All of them are the same language. Even the Oshomole himself, all of them are the same language. So, as in, why are we eating up ourselves? Guys, why are we eating up ourselves? Do you understand? If I thought that really that the man said, I don't want to vote for you, he chooses the person he wants to vote for. It does not mean that you have won the election already. Does not mean that you should go his house and demolish his house. If I thought that the man have did something wrong to you, it's not by you to go and demolish his sweat. As in, the man came out be talking, a lot of people is thinking that the man is not hungry. Who said so? Who does? As in, anybody not know what will come happen next? Look at the man just came in now. He started demolishing people's house. That one has money. The politician Tony Kabaka has money. He also used to do same. Now someone came to do the same to him. So to me, I won't blame. I don't know how to put it. The both side, all of them did their body. their own dey their body, the both of them, no one will not dey wrong, because that one don still do him. This one come do him. If this Obaseki have come to do his own now to demolish this man's house, to say that because he does not vote for him, this man will also reap what he sowed. Yes, his own is still waiting for him, guys. Really, I'm saying the truth. This man will also reap that same thing that did to this man, Tony Kabaka, because Tony Kabaka have already reaped what is sold to other people. You understand me? Okay, just look at it. This man now he has won the election, right? Okay, fine. Tony Kabaka, I don't know what's happened between themselves before they went ahead and demolished his house. Fine. If he can do such to Tony Kabaka, who know what will not happen next? They said that Tony Kabaka built the house as in along the community street, or what is it called? Community way, I don't know. No, as is it only the Tony Kabaka that built us there? A lot of people is there that also build us in that same community street. You understand? So guys, we should think about it. Okay, now this man have went to go and demolish his house. Now he started when he just come newly, he don't win the election and he don't enter the what they call him. He don't say that level now, the high level, the level when he did and he don't dey. He does have to demolish people. As if he can do that to Tony Kabaka, a lot of people are there safe in Nigeria. You get me? Are they safe there in Nigeria? By his grace, I know they will be safe, and I know that we are safe because they are not God. It's God that gave them that power. So if God that gave them that power can also bring them down from that place. You understand? So look at now. Obaseki just entered. He would have think about those children that does not have good school. They don't have good road in Nigeria, good environment in Nigeria. You don't think about how you're going to be paying their school fees, how you're going to take care of them take care of them there, especially the kids. How you're going to help those that does not have, and you are there demolishing people's houses. You understand? Demolishing people's houses. How does that sound? How does that sound? Well, I don't really know how to put it. Really, I don't really know how to put it, because these people, they are, as in I don't know how to put it. They are very wicked. Yes, they are very wicked, because these politicians, government and all, no one will be said they're not wicked. None of them is perfect, and none of us is perfect, of course. Even those politicians have their own see their body, you know. Yes, they all see their body, because a lot of bad things what they don't still do for life. So I guess he himself is still reaping what he sowed, and that man too will also reap what he sowed now. Yes, guys, he will reap what he sowed now. How could he even thought of that? He would have, he needs to think about how you put good school, good environment, how you build good houses in that Nigeria, how you going to take care of Nigeria, how you going to build good hospitals, how you going to employ people that does not have jobless people. They are out there. How is going to do all those things, because a lot of people vote for him because for him to come and take care of them there. It's not for him to be demolishing people's houses. You get me? Guys, how did you think about this? How did you think about this? This is very, very unfair. I know that a lot of people don't want to hear the truth. People don't want to say the truth because a lot of people is afraid. Everybody is afraid. That we said we don't want them, nobody getting, they don't want them to go on like do something. I don't get it. They are not God. You understand? They are not God. Once you die, if you talk, you go deaf. If you not talk, you go still there. So we all have to say the truth. You get me? We all have to say the truth. How could them? How could him? Even the man, that Tony Kabaka, this is the high time for him to go and beg for his forgiveness for the sins that he have committed. Of course. So that this thing that happened to him now will not go again to happen to him, because another one, we don't know what is going to happen next. So he has to beg for his forgiveness, because he has did a lot of bad things there in that Nigeria. He have did a lot of things that is not good. When someone will just offend him, he will not even want to release, and he will just go do everything as he scatter the person's house, do a lot of things. You can see that what goes around surely comes around. You understand? Even that Obaseki that did that same thing to him, we also reap what he sowed. tomorrow. If it is because he does not really vote for him, according to the way the man said it, that I does not vote for him, that's why he went ahead and demolished my house. If that is the reason why that Obaseki did such to him, he will also report his suit. Of course, guys. Yes, he will report his suit. And look at all those police that went ahead to be doing all those things, carry gun here and there. All those police maybe say they don't know themselves. As in, Boko Haram, they keep people for Nigeria. Boko Haram, they do a lot of things for Nigeria. People, they die. Things they happen for Nigeria. Police not fit do anything. Now to come, they walk out, they carry gun, they follow person where they know. As in, they carry gun, they follow people, maybe say they don't get. One can they go, they demolish people as standing. No. Look at children, they are suffering. Look at the orphanages, they are suffering. Why can't they help them? Why can't they put good roads there? Why they, as in, when that Nigeria go they civilized? Really, I don't really know, guys. How do you think about this? Am I right or wrong? Let me know in your comment section below. And please do give it a thumbs up if you haven't. And subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. And see you up in my next video.